Hey friends, it's Rachel with the Ponds Farmhouse, and today I'm sharing a fun burlap DIY project with you. Today we're going to be making burlap coasters, and the fun thing about this project is you can adapt this to any shape or design that you desire. But today our project is peach coasters. We're in the summertime here, so we want some peach coasters. I'm going to be sharing with you all the tools and all the materials that you need to do this. But one thing, our base is an off-white burlap that has been stiffened, and so it's going to be really firm and make beautiful coasters. So I'm going to move the camera down so that you can see all the details, and we're going to get this project started. So let's get going.
Okay, the very first thing I've done here is I have made a little template out of some cardstock of the shape of the peach that I want to use, and I've traced it here onto the stiffened burlap fabric. And then we're just going to take some sharp scissors and we're going to cut out this design. So now we're ready to paint our peach here, and we're just starting out right in the very center of it, adding some darker colors. I'm just using regular craft paint here, and the colors that I've chosen are some reds, pinks, orange, white, and some burnt sienna for the yellow. We've also got some different colors here for the leaves, like this is a sage green that I've used on the leaves. And I've also added in a little bit of burnt umber that I'm going to be using to add to the stem, and then also adding to the to shade in around different areas here on the peach. Next, using the same template, I have cut another piece of fabric out of felt. This will be the backing of our coaster. And so what I'm doing now is I'm just taking some of the glue and just brushing it on and going to completely cover the entire top of the felt peach so that we can adhere it to the burlap peach. As an optional step, I'm using some Never Wet protective sealer, just a fine mist over the top so that they will be waterproof.